check out this mole on my back?
Okay.
Not that kind of mole. This kind of mole.
A mole is a unit of measurement that represents a very large quantity. A mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power, which is also known as Avogadro's number. All elements on the periodic table can be converted to moles. You just need to know one thing: the molar mass. The mole concept allows chemists to use chemical equations to determine the weight of reactants and products in chemical reactions.
So for our first problem, we're going to be going from grams to moles. And first you start with the given, which is 12.210 grams of carbon. And you're going to write that down. You're going to place that over 1. And now you're going to find the molar mass of carbon. And you're going to put that on the bottom because you want to cross out the 2. And you'll place that over 1 mole. Because per 1 mole there are 12.01 grams of carbon. So you're going to cross out the carbons and divide the 2. And you're going to get 1.01 moles of carbon.
Okay, so now we're going to go from moles to grams. So we're going to look at our given in the problem, which is 3.5 moles of table salt. And we're going to put that over 1. And so now that we know we have 3.5 moles of table salt, we're going to put moles on the bottom and then find the molar mass of table salt, which is 58.44 grams. So the moles will cancel out. And so you'll multiply the 2 on the top, leading to a final answer of 2.00 times 10 to the second power, also known as 200.
Okay, so now we're going to be going from grams to molecules, and we're going to be using Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 22nd. So now we're going to start by finding the given, which is 3.02 grams of magnesium. And we're going to place that over 1. And we're going to multiply that by the molar mass of magnesium, which we're going to put on the bottom so we can cross the 2 out. We're going to put 1 mole on the top so that we can convert our magnesium to moles. And again, we're going to place 1 mole on the bottom so we can cross both moles out and place Avogadro's number on top. Now we're going to multiply all the top numbers together and divide by all the bottom numbers, and that's going to leave us with 7.48 times 10 to the 22nd atoms.
What I want, you got.